This is how you find Ireland's national debt.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Create content effortlessly. Click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
You can even type this in on Google, your search engine browser device. Ireland's national debt historical data by year. As you can see, we have this information, 43% of their GDP in 2023. That's pretty crazy. The next website is macrotrends.net, one of my favorite, because we can see that it goes all the way back from 1960 to 2024 in terms of GDP. As you can see, if we scroll down, we have a chart, bar and a line chart from the year 1960 to 2024. And you can even see individual specific year of how much they were expending. So 98, 60%, all the way up in 22. Okay, so it says that they expended less. It's negative. The third website, one of the best, is usdebtclock.org. And as you can see, if we were to scroll down and locate Ireland, it's below Indonesia and above Korea. They have $346 billion in debt. And if you go to the left, they have 5 million people who live there. That's their population.